all here. Thank you for tuning in. It was brought to my attention that some people are not familiar with car maintenance or basically car care at all from the comments. So I'm going to do a very basic video for somebody that's new for taking care of their car. I'm going to have to get a flashlight to show you the little clip. But today I'm doing hood support, lift supports on a 2008 Toyota Camry. These things are shot. If you do have a pair of vice grips, you can open your hood and put the vice grips on the strut and it will hold the hood open. Let me get a flashlight just so you can see the detail of this little retainer clip that I have to remove, okay? Okay, some of these are put on just with clips and some have a mix of a bolt or a nut. This has clips on both ends. What you have to do is get a pick tool or a small screwdriver. Just get under this clip here. This is a retainer clip. If you just get that off of there, pop that out, then the hood strut will come off. Comes right off there. We're going to do the same thing with the one on the top. Change the camera angle here. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm doing the same thing on the top one. And they come right off. Then with your new one, you just pop them right on. These are very cheap too. They're not expensive to replace. I think I got two of these for under $30, or it might have even been under $20. What you do is you put it on the pin. Is this for the top? Yeah, this is for the top. This one's different. They're putting these on a different angle. That's funny. The other one had the shock on the top. This one is set up differently. Yep, it's got a cocked end on it. Whichever one has the cocked end would go to the top, and the one that's straight would go to the bottom, okay? That just pops right on. You just push it on, and it's in there. Just push it on the ball, and that's it, guys. That's how you replace hood struts on a 2008 Toyota Camry. We'll do the other side now. Now I might have to put the vice grip on the other one. Nope, the other one's holding it. I'm going to put the vice grip on the other side just for precaution, because I'm going to remove this one. I don't want it dropping on me. So I'm going to do the same thing. Gonna get the pick tool, remove that clip. The clip on the bottom one. Just getting the other strut, the new one. Do be sure that the one with the angled top on it, the original ones were in this orientation, but if you look, if I were to try to put it in this way, this is at a 90-degree angle. You want that one at a 90 on the bottom. Pop it right on there. And then this one on the angle goes on the top. That's it. It's in there. Make sure they're in there firm. Checking the other side again to make sure I got them in all the way. And that's it, guys. Well, that's a very basic, simple video, but I hope it helps somebody out there. That's the reason we have this channel. Try to help each other. Well, guys, take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. Basic maintenance is very, very important. Oil changes will prevent major engine problems. Servicing your transmission will prevent problems. So, brake fluid changes, coolant on time. I could tell you, I do my engine oil, I only run full synthetic oils. I change my oil every 5,000 to 6,000 miles. Sometimes I'll stretch it to 7,000 if I'm under 100,000 miles on the vehicle. Engine oil is much cheaper than an engine or major engine problems. And I service my transmissions every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. I do a fluid change and a filter replacement. When I do purchase a used car, I usually do a complete transmission flush. Then after that, every 30,000 to 40,000 miles, I do the service. Engine coolant, they say 100,000 miles to 5 years. I change my engine antifreeze every 3 years. I use Piston in all of my vehicles, and I have not had any problems. It's compatible with all vehicles. But that stuff will get acidic if you leave it in there too long and start to corrode and not protect your cooling system. I wanted to say something else with that. When you are doing engine coolant, never ever put tap or well water in your system. The minerals in there will cause damage to the cooling system. Only use distilled water, not bottled spring water or anything. Distilled water only. Okay, and I do my brake systems every 3 years as well. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. That means it sucks up moisture. It will absorb moisture from the atmosphere. When the brakes get hot, the moisture in the brake fluid will steam off, will boil off, and cause spongy pedal or lack of brake performance, and also rot your brake lines from the inside out. Don't forget your power steering fluid too. I do a flush on them too every 3 years. Okay? Take care, guys. Have a good day. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.